Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at controlling what it is that you see on the screen when you're working with a workbook, because sometimes you don't want to see everything. So I've got some data here, there's a lot of it here, and if I'm the kind of person who has to call people up, maybe I just want to see the company name, first name, last name, their title, and perhaps their phone number, and everything else I can just leave off. But to be able to do that, what we need is a way of getting rid of things from the screen, but not getting rid of them from the workbook. And the tool that we use is called Views, and they're available from the View menu. And this is the one we want. It's called Custom Views. But I can't see it right now because of a formatting issue. So let's go back to the Home tab, and what I did was I formatted this data as a table. And you can see that when I'm clicked inside it, I've got Table Design selectable here. Now, if there wasn't a table, we wouldn't be seeing Table Design. If your data is formatted as a table, you can't use Views. But I don't need my data to be formatted as a table, so I'm just going to Table Design, and I'm just going to click on Convert to Range, and I'll click Yes. So this is now no longer a table, and when I go to the View menu, you can see that custom views are available. Now, before I go and hide things, what I want to do is to be able to get back to this view. So I'm going to set this up as a view. So I'm just going to click on Custom Views, and I'm just going to call this Everything. So I'll click here on Add and type Everything. And I'm just going to leave included in the view the print settings and hidden rows and columns. So just click OK. Now let's have a look and see at the view that I want to see in future. So I'm going to select these columns here because I don't need them, and I'm just going to hide them. And then I'll hide these as well, because in future this is all I want to be able to see. So let's go back to Custom Views and let's add, and let's just call this Phone Data, because this is the data I want to see when I'm phoning people. So I'll just click OK. So you can go ahead and create other views for your data if you needed it, but let's go and see how to use them. So say I want to get back to seeing everything. Well, I'll just go to Custom Views, I'll click Everything and click Show. And now we're seeing absolutely everything. And if we want to see the phone data, then we'll just click on Phone Data and click Show. And other things are hidden, so we can just focus on the data that we actually want to be able to see. So views are saved with your workbook, and they can also contain print options and other things as well. But they're a really handy way of just simplifying things when you don't want to see everything. But just remember, of course, that they can't be used with table formats. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.